But my cousin told me where the grown-ups all go on New Year's Eve. They all go to this big meeting where they talk about the rotten things they did to kids all year.
I told my kids that spinach is good for them, but everyone...
Civil danger warning for the Arlington-Marysville area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Marysville Police Department. There is an extremely dangerous individual on the loose. He is described as an unidentified, skinny male standing at 7 feet and 5 inches. He was last seen wearing a dark red ski mask, a dark red t-shirt, and black pants. He has pitched black skin, and his eyes are black and dark red. For your safety, lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights, do not answer the door for anyone.
Ah!